I'm gonna go ahead and jump right in. Sorry if I'm very soft-spoken, I am at work. This is a sponsored video by Yolova hair. Inside the box says explore your hair journey, and I feel like everybody should be open to trying new things. It comes with lashes, and also use my discount code MANIA for 15% off your next purchase. Inside the bag comes a pair of slanted tweezers. Easy access to pluck hairs, not too many hairs, and not rip your lace. You should always be very careful. As I took the hair out the bag, it was very much soft, and I could already tell that I was going to be satisfied. The net gave me some problems, but overall it was very soft, minimal shedding. Also, this is a 13x6 lace front. It is a transparent lace. It comes with 4 clips, 1 in the middle, 2 on the side, of course, and then you have 1 in the back also with a lace, but it's not a 360, so I'm not sure why it's there. It also comes with these adjustable straps for bigger and smaller heads. My head is on the smaller side, but you know. I plan on not bleaching this video, but I use BW2 and 30 Developer from Clairol. I've never been able to pronounce it, but I'm not gonna bleach it in this process. I'm not gonna talk too much, so y'all can just watch the rest of the video. I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching. after doing my hair, I had finished it, but something happened with my phone. And I did my baby hairs. I'm gonna show y'all. So this is what it looked like. I professionally actually did it correctly. Day 2, holding up real nice. Not a lot of shedding. Very soft. One thing is just, I don't think it holds curls well unless I'm like doing it wrong. But I probably have to pin it up. But a lot of my synthetic, I have to, I look a hot mess. I'm gonna come back for day 3 and show you how it's holding up after I come back from the range. So I'm going tomorrow. And my side tabs definitely holding. This is what got to be